English with Captain Binoy, Assistant Professor, Department of English, St. Joseph's College, Calicut, Kerala. We are learning function words and we are discussing auxiliary verbs. And among the auxiliary verbs, we know about the primary auxiliaries, and we are right now learning the different forms of be the primary auxiliary. And we learned the use of am and is in the previous lectures. Today we are discussing the use of are, A-R-E, are. And are, the auxiliary, is used in the present continuous tense when a plural noun is the subject. So we have sentences like boys are playing cricket, people are becoming impatient, wild animals are becoming a big threat. So in all these sentences, like in the first one, people are becoming impatient. People are becoming impatient. We have a continuous activity. An action is in progress, right? And it is of course present tense, are. And we have the subject, people. People is a plural noun. So when we have a plural noun as the subject and the present tense and an action which is progressing, we are depending on the auxiliary verb, that is of course are. Are is the helping verb, and we say people are becoming impatient, and we also say boys are playing cricket. Boys are playing cricket. My friends are just traveling to a tourist resort. My friends are traveling. My friends are traveling. They are working in the farm. Alright. They are working in the farm. They is the subject. It is plural. Are is used because it's present tense and working, continuity of action. So are, the auxiliary verb, is used for, in fact, representing present continuous tense when a plural noun is the subject. And we say people are becoming impatient. They are working in the farm. Wild animals are becoming a threat. Alright, and now that is the first use of are. And now we look at the second use of are as an auxiliary. So are is used in the passive voice when the subject is plural and the tense is present. So the second is of course about the use of are in the passive voice. Say the thieves are chased by the police. The thieves are chased by the police. Alright, so the plural is the thieves, thieves plural, and the auxiliary verb are is used. Okay, so we have the passive voice sentence, the thieves are chased by the police. Similarly, we also say the animals are hunted by the villagers. The animals are hunted by the villagers, passive voice. So we understand the two main uses of are right now here. Number one, are is used in the present continuous tense when a plural noun is the subject. People are becoming impatient. Boys are hardworking. Wild animals are becoming a threat. My friends are playing cricket. They are watering the plants in the garden. Alright, all this is example for the present continuous tense and of course plural, which are plural nouns, right? Use of are. Number two, okay, are is used in the passive when the subject is plural and the tense is present, like the thieves are chased by the police. The animals are hunted by the villagers. The paintings are drawn by students. Alright, all these contexts we have the use of are, and now with this we conclude the use of are and we move forward to another auxiliary verb, and that auxiliary verb is was. Thank you very much for listening. May God bless you all.